The average home run in the majors flies roughly 398 feet. But in the annual Home Run Derby, the average homer travels more than 20 feet farther. But the batters are facing dramatically slower pitches than normal. On average, only 50 to 60 miles an hour. Our question is, how can sluggers in the Home Run Derby hit slower pitches so much farther? To find out, we enlisted Nomar Garciaparra, outfitted him with our biomechanical sensors, and threw him two kinds of pitches: normal game fastballs and Home Run Derby meatballs. A normal swing is level with the downward path of the pitch at about a 10-degree angle. This increases the chances of hitting the ball squarely and solidly.
When you're in the game, it's more about contact. You're making sure you can make consistent contact squared up.
But that swing angle doesn't generate maximum distance. That's why home run hitters uppercut the ball. And our analysis reveals that for his home run cuts, Nomar swings the bat at an angle up to 20 degrees. All things being equal, on a 60-mile-an-hour pitch, a 10-degree increase in the swing angle can increase the batted ball distance by 15 feet. Facing a slower pitch means the batter can adjust his swing path for increased launch angle, and more importantly, make contact with the ball later in the swing. A batter's arms and shoulders are like coiled springs, loaded with potential energy. As the swing progresses, more and more energy is converted to kinetic energy. Hitting the ball later in the swing results in a faster bat speed at the moment of contact. And bat speed is the single most important factor in hitting for distance. Our data reveals that a bat moving 65 miles an hour at a 60-mile-an-hour pitch can send the ball flying 400 feet. Hitting a ball pitched 5 miles an hour faster only travels 5 feet farther. But increase the swing speed by 5 miles an hour on that 60-mile-an-hour pitch, and the ball will sail about 25 feet farther. Nearly 5 times the 5-foot difference of hitting a faster pitch. It's mainly about momentum, which is a product of mass and velocity. A 31-ounce bat has over 6 times more momentum than a 5-ounce ball, which is why swing speed is much more important than pitch speed in the home run equation. To put that in perspective, in the Home Run Derby in Angel Stadium, the difference between hitting the warning track and going yard over the fence in left center, 387 feet away, could come down to a swing speed difference of only half a mile an hour. For Sports Science on ESPN, I'm John Burgess.